Talkie Soulful AI GF tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you basically how you will be able to create a female character that you can chat and call with. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download Talkie AI Chat with Characters application in your mobile device. So just simply install the application, and after that just open it. And as soon as you open it, if you don't have the account, the app will require you to submit some information about yourself, and then just simply create your account. And once your account has been created, in order to create a female character, all you have to do is just simply click on this plus icon from the middle of the screen at the bottom. Just simply tap on it, and you will see the option which says create my Talkie. Just simply tap on it again, and now you just have to select the gender of the AI or the character that you would want to create. So for example, you want to create a girlfriend, so for that just simply tap on girl and click on start. And over here under the preferred image, you can upload an image from your preference. For example, you want to create a character with a particular features of the facial expressions and other things, so you can go ahead and do that. And if you don't want to do that, you can skip that as well. And after that just simply click on the image prompt section, and you can describe the kind of character that you want to create. For example, you can mention like beautiful blue eyes or anything that you would want in your character to have, any specific feature, facial expression, and the personality or any other thing that you would want to the character to have. And once you're done entering the prompt image, and after that you just have to select the style from the given style over here. You can select from realism, studio, lifelike, film, 3D, and there are so many other options available. So I'm going to choose the realism one, and after that just simply go ahead and press generate. And over here the AI generator has started working on the character that you have placed the requirement for, and it will take some time. And as soon as your character get created, you will be able to see it on your screen. So there are so many videos that the AI has been created, so you can go ahead and see all of them. So you can see that there are so many good pictures that the character has created for me. So just select the one that you would want, that you like the most. For example, I'm liking this one, and you can go ahead and create image. Just simply tap on it, and after that just click on next. Now you have to give this character some profile or their image. So for example, you have to mention their name, something about them, like an intro, and you can also write a long description if you want to. You can also add tags and prologues as well. And once you're done entering all these details, just simply click on next, and your character will be created. So this is basically how you will be able to create female character in Talkie AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.